Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more nice mocktail. Mocktail name is Orange Lightning. How to make that Orange Lightning mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of or lemon juice. After that, you have to pour only 60 ml of apple juice. That's it. After that, you have to pour 30 ml of orange crush. You have to add little bit of more orange crush for this. Okay, mocktail orange crush. Then you have to fill the glass with lots of ice cream. Okay. After that, shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well. Take a fancy glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the fancy glass. Then what you will do? You can serve with straw and you can serve with stirrer also. After that, take a small decanter, add some blue cocoa, and add soda. Then slowly you have to pour the see. Then you can garnish with orange slices or like this and mint leaf. See, your like orange lightning mocktail is ready. Very simple mocktail. You can try with the combination of apple juice, orange crush, lime juice, and soda and blue cocoa. Very simple mocktail. We can try. This is. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope like this mocktail. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Yes.